So we have here Miss Apeksha Rajput and Bhavesh Rajput from Stallion Overseas. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Could you please tell us about your company and your product details?
Our company, we are based from Surat, Gujarat, and we are into the indenting paper waste. And mostly we are supplying from all of the overseas, and even we are supplying from the Gulf also.
Okay. So, do you have any new product introducing in your company?
Yes, of course, we have added regarding the plastic also, and metal and non-metal also. And we are into even the tires, we have just added. Before, so we had started with the metal, but in the waste paper, we are the proper indenters.
We are handling the major more grade as well, like 13 and 14 type of waste paper there. Yeah, we are reporting, we are doing indenting from the many shippers, and we are having the from the many of the origin like the USA, Canada, Belgium, France, Italy, Portugal, then South Africa as well, Morocco as well, then Gulf material like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Bahrain material. They are serving from the many more countries to the serving to the OE airport.
What motivated you to start to work in paper recycling industry?
See, we are thinking about the very bright future for the paper recycling. This is because without recycling, nothing will be going to be make.
No, that. Okay. So, what challenges do you face in sourcing recycling recyclable paper materials?
See, right now we are facing issue right regarding the paper. So many now b- before that the India was the very biggest buyer right before that. But right now facing the challenge, Far East also very aggressively buying. When they are going to buy, it's always buying a very huge quantity because nowadays Vietnam, Indonesia, then Thailand, Malaysia, they are also buying the very huge quantity and major money is going there and always having the very cheapest freight charges for the same countries.
What do you think about the paper industry growth in India?
See, always the recycle industries and mostly paper industry definitely going to be grow because there is no other option other than recycle.
Okay. And what measures does your company take to reduce environmental impact during recycling?
Yeah, we are into recycling, so it's a very huge impact for the recycle industries and environment as well because everyone divert into the recycle.
Okay. How is the paper sustainability happening in your company? How is the paper sustainability happening?
Yeah, it's already as I told you before. It's a without the recycle there is no other option. And many more industries coming as well and many is closing but paper doing its work only.
So, and finally, how do you find the show here in the South edition of Paper X?
Yeah, it's a really nice one. This is my second time we are attending over here, but it's a nice and public over here is a very genuine and buyer as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's very nice.
Yeah.